can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be covering Supreme Week 5's partial drop list. We don't have the full drop list as of yet, but I don't want to wait until the night gets young and then we have to wait until tomorrow to post a video. I'm going to go ahead and cover what we have so far, and then when we get the full drop list tomorrow, I'll kind of do a retail versus resell situation. But today we're going to cover the items that we have and we're going to see what's up. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the comments as well, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to reach 20k by the end of this year, and the only way it's possible is if you behind this camera hits that red button and makes it turn gray. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So before I cover the week, this week was actually going to be a TNF collab and they kind of delayed it. I don't know exactly what happened. That was the rumor for this week, which low-key means that we might see that next week. But let's go ahead and talk about this drop list and then get straight up out the building. So as of lately, I've been starting with the better items and working our way all the way down to the dookie pieces at the bottom. The best item for this week, and probably the only item that I'm gonna be going for honestly, is this Wedo step stool. This is fire, bro. Low-key, if I could have two of these, it's super lit. I really don't care what color I end up getting. I feel like each of these is fire in its own. I feel like the black one is hard. The blue is something that they typically don't do. Retail for this is probably going to be like around $50 to $60. I can't really see a stepping stool going for $100 or anything over that. So I definitely am a fan of this. This is like that stepping stool that you see janitors have and shit like that. This is pretty cool though nonetheless, and it has that Supreme spell out going around the bottom, which is pretty clean in my opinion. Huge fan of this piece. I feel like it will have resell, maybe not at first, but it definitely will down the line. And this is one of those pieces where if it has low retail, it'll definitely have some type of resale value. It is also shatterproof, holds up to 330 pounds, and it's recyclable, bro. Everything you need in a step stool is right here on this one. But let's go ahead and talk about this patchwork hoodie. This one is definitely clean in one colorway. The other ones are kind of mediocre in my opinion. I am a fan of this gray colorway. Honestly, this hoodie right here in the gray color with the Flint 13s, you killing the game, bro. Like, come on, let's be realistic. This shit is fire. Low-key, if I didn't recently buy a hoodie, I might go for this, but I could honestly see myself sleeping on this piece and regretting it down the line. That gray with the cream color is nuts, and then you got that blue on the front. It's actually pretty clean, bro. If you're looking to buy a hoodie, this is definitely a fire contender. I'm honestly not that much of a fan of the other colorways, but that gray one with that cream, y'all already know what it is, bro. Like, that one is a banger, like straight heat, bro. Like, that's lava right there, and I'ma unfortunately have to skip on that because I'm not trying to spend $170. You guys will see in the video coming up why I'm not trying to spend $170 right now. Like, it's not my it's not working right now. We do got this paneled football jersey. This one is kind of cheeks. I'm not really that much of a fan of wearing jerseys, and if I did, it would probably be a MLB jersey or maybe like a basketball jersey. This right here is not my cup of tea. I understand how somebody would like it, but for me, it's alright. We do got like this Patriots color, then you got this camo, which is probably the better color. It's kind of the same camo that they use for the Supreme Jordan 5s. That's actually pretty clean. It says Supreme going across the shoulders, and then on the back it has a 20 and it says world famous if I'm not mistaken. It's not that bad of a piece, but I just can't see myself wearing it. Definitely the better colors in my opinion are the black and that camo color. Now we got some straight butt juice. Like, this is so dookie, bro. Like, literally is dropping turds in a blender and blending the shit with the lid off, bro. It smells tragic in this bitch. They wildin' with this one. They got a crocheted hooded sweatshirt. Come on, son. How long did grandma take to build this? She was in the car at the red light working on this hoodie right here. Like, nah. If you're gonna go ahead and go for this, please get the blue one at least. Like, make it easier on people's eyes and with the blue one that has a little bit of gray on it. The other one is just tragic, bro. Like, that one is bad. Like, it's just going down sad. We got these patchwork sweatpants. These are actually a vibe, bro. The color that I'm freaking with again is that gray with the cream. I don't know what it is, but that one you can't really see the little doo-doo bleach stains on it. Like if you low-key look at the black pair, you could see the doo-doo streaks on the front. The gray one doesn't have that, and that's probably why I like it, low-key. I don't know, bro. There's 3 of them that just have these doo-doo stains going straight down the pants. I feel like resale for the Patrick sweatpants and the hoodie in that gray colorway might be there. For the other colorways, hell to the nah. We got the crocheted crusher. How do you sew something that has this shape? Like, how do you even do that, bro? You need some big ass needles for that. It's a dub, bro. Like this crusher right here, don't even do it. Like, don't do it. We got this thin stripe polo, which low key, this is another one of those pieces that you can go to your local thrift store and pay $2 for. I'm pretty sure you don't need a $150 Supreme version of it. So I probably would like steer away from that if you could, you feel me? If you already purchased this, then hey, my bad. I feel for you. I feel for you. This is not gonna have no resale, like not at all. But I do want to say that if you guys are interested in boosting your chances when it comes to buying Supreme, you should definitely go ahead and check out Addict.io. They are actually gonna restock a little while from now, and if you are interested in seeing when they do restock, I will leave a link at the top of the description so you can enter their newsletter. Addict.io is actually good because you can boost your chances at having success when it comes to these Supreme drops. Obviously, you're not gonna cook up every single week because that just doesn't happen in bot world. Not even the most expensive bots cook up every single week, but this is definitely a good way to boost your chances. I definitely recommend you guys to go manual and then run Addict.io. That way you have a better chance at succeeding on items like the stepping stool that's going to be coming out. If you are interested, the link will be at the top of the description, and you can use my promo code once it drops to get 10% off on your order. They cover like 85 plus stores from Kids Supreme, Bape, Undefeated, Yeezy Supply, and a bunch more. You definitely do want to go ahead and check them out, just see what they're about, and if you end up liking it, hey, you might end up cooking some heat. But let's go ahead and talk about this collab, and then we're straight about the building. So this week we have the Joel Peter Witkin collab. I do not know who this is, but I thought it was gonna be North Face. I don't know what happened from here to there, but there's a big space from here to there, and this is not it, bro. This is the mother and child tee. I'm good. Like, if you really look at it up close, like there's a lot to be said right here, and there's some funky stuff going on in this piece. I think there's a whole nip on the back of this tee. If you really look closely, you might be able to see it. I'm gonna keep it small though, so I don't get yellow marked. Go on Supreme Community and zoom close, and you might get a little erect, my brother. Like, I don't know what's going on with this piece, but it's definitely a little bit weird. I know some people might like this, but it's just not my cup of tea. I don't really wear nips on my tees. There's like one tee that I have that has a nip on it in cartoon version, but like I feel like resale is definitely not gonna be there. Maybe I'm just being ignorant to the situation, but I don't know who this is realistically. It says that the original artwork is by Joel Peter Witkin. School me in the comments below. This is the mother and child piece. I'm good on that. We do have the Harvest long sleeve. Once again, like I was saying, I don't really know much about this collaboration, but this one does look a little bit better, just aesthetically a little more pleasing. This is like this Native American man wearing like this little mask or whatever, and it does look cooler to me. Honestly, I feel like this is something that I would wear before that other piece, the nip piece. This one is actually cleaner. It has like his signature and it says Harvest under it. I definitely am a fan of that pinkish color, the neon color, and the burgundy. Those are the ones that are popping out more to me. These pieces resale wise, bro, please don't do it.
And I can't do it.
I might be wrong when time passes, but I just don't see it at all. This kind of reminds me of 2014 Supreme type shit, and I feel like there's a small niche, like a small group of people that will with this shit, bro. Like, look at the hoodie. What is going on with this hoodie, bro? No jokes. Like, I'm not even trying to be funny or no shit like that. Like, her nips are like out here, bro. Like, they are distant relatives. Like, she could low-key flip that shit to the back and scrub under it. Like, what's going on? If you really look closely, the nip is like fucking like these, bro. Like, what's going on with it? To each his own. If that's how you like it, bro, you could low-key wrap them shits around your head like a scarf. I'm good on on that one. We got 4 or 5 different colorways on this one as well. Colorways wise from the collaboration, the baby pink is probably the best color, followed by the burgundy and the lime green. This collab is a miss, my brother. Like, there is nothing here for me, and that's the way that it's gonna stay. Hopefully the items that they add to the drop list are some bangers. From what I see, there's 4 items that are hitting, both the patchwork pieces, the stool, and maybe the jersey. That's all that I really see this week, and that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys did enjoy this one, man, slap a fat like on it down below. You already know what to do with that red subscribe button. If you want the best of luck in 2020, subscribe down below. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't already, just sub to the channel, man. Let's get to 20K, and I will make any kind of videos you would like me to make. I'm trying to like creep my way into vlogging as well, because I feel like that's the best way to just show you guys a whole different spin on what I do, rather than just be right here all the time. I don't know, I'm gonna try to make something happen. But if you did enjoy, you know what to do, bro. Just subscribe and let me know what kind of video ideas you would like to see in the comments. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.